Exercise 3.5 linear equation in one variable. Eighth question is 15 into y minus 4 plus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 equal to 0. Now 15 will multiply with this y and 4. 15 into y, 15y plus into minus minus 15 into 4, 60 plus minus into plus minus 2 into y 2y minus into minus plus 2 9s are 18 plus into plus 5 into y 5y plus into plus 5 6 are 30 equal to 0. Now we will count all. 15y plus 5y is 20y minus 2y minus 60 plus 30 minus 30. Here we have plus 18 equal to 0. Minus 20y plus 20y minus 2y is 18, y is plus. Then minus 30 plus 18. Minus 30 plus 18 is, this is 10. Remaining 2 here. 2 minus 1 is 1. But we have bigger number is minus. So we have to show minus 12. So it is minus 12 equal to 0. Then 18y. This minus 12 will shift to right hand side. It will become plus 12. Then only y answer we need. It is 12 divided by 18. So see, sixth table, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 18. So it is 2 divided by 3. Therefore y value is 2 by 3. To check this equation, we have to substitute y equal to 2 divided by 3. So we have here 15, y place 2 by 3 minus 4. Minus 2, here we have to substitute 2 by 3 minus 9 plus 5 into 2 by 3 plus 6 equal to 0. Now this 2 by 3 minus 4 we have to simplify. 2 by 3 minus 4. 4 also 4 by 1 also is same only. In denominator we have 3 and 1. So our LCM is 3. Now do the cross multiply. That is 1 2s are 2 minus 3 4s are 12. Then minus 12 plus 2 is minus 10 divided by 3. This answer we will substitute in this place. Minus 10 by 3. Same like that, this portion we have to simplify. 2 by 3 minus 9 divided by 1 also is same. Now 3 and 1, our LCM is 3. Now do the cross multiply like this. 1 2s are 2 minus 3 9s are 27. So minus 27 plus 2 is minus 25 divided by 3. So we have to substitute in this place minus 25 divided by 3 plus 5, and here we have 2 by 3 plus 6 plus 6 divided by 1. 3 and 1 will get LCM is 3. 1 2s are 2 plus 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 2 is 20 divided by 3. So we have to apply here 20 divided by 3 equal to 0. This is 1 3s are 3, 5 3s are 15 because denominator and numerator can be cancelled. This is one term, this is second term, this is third term like this. 3 and 25 will not cancel. Now 5 into 10, 50. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. 2 into 25, 50 divided by 3. Plus into plus, plus. 5 into 20, 100 divided by 3 equal to 0. Now in this place denominator is 3 is there, so our LCM is 3. Here we have to multiply with 3. 3 into 50, 150. Here we have denominator 3, so we no need to multiply in this anything in numerator. So plus 50 we have to write like that. This is also plus 100, same like that we have to write, equal to 0. Here we have minus 150. This is plus 50 and plus 100 is plus 150 divided by 3. So minus and plus it will get cancelled. So numerator will get 0. 0 divided by 3 also is 0. Therefore 0 equal to 0. Our left hand side is equal to right hand side. So it is correct answer. Ninth question is your homework question. 10th one is 0.25 into 4f minus 3 equal to 0.05 into 10f minus 9. 0.25 we have to multiply with 4f once and we have to multiply minus 3 once. So 0.25 into 4 is 4 5s are 20, 2 carry, 5 2s are 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. After 2 digit if you keep point here, it is 1. So 1f. Plus into minus, minus. 3 into 0.25. 3 5s are 15, carry 1, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. 2 digit before if you want to keep point, this is 0.75 equal to, here 0.05 we have to multiply with 10. With 10, 100 and all if you multiply any numbers, how many 0 we have to write it like that. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 0, 0. So 1, 2 digit before we have point here. Same like that way we have to keep before 10 digits. So 1, 2, here we have to keep point. So into f, have value here. Then plus into minus, minus. 9 5s are 45, 9 0 0. So 2 digit before we should keep point. You have to keep it in this place. It is 0.45. F terms we have to shift to left hand side. So here we have 1f. This one minus 0.5 because this 0 doesn't have value in this place. So we are already minus 0.45 we have. This minus 0.75 we have to shift to right hand side. It will become plus. Plus 0.75. So 1f minus 0.5f means we will get 0.5f with positive sign. Here 0.75 minus 0.45. 5 minus 5 0. 7 minus 4 is 3 point. So we have 0.3. Therefore f value is 0.3 divided by we have here 0.5. When we multiply this with 10, it will become 3 into 10, 30 divided by 5 into 10, 50. Then 1 digit before if you keep point, it will become 3 divided by 5. Therefore, F value is 3 by 5. Value we got 3 by 5. This we can keep it like that and check, otherwise we can do in the decimal point, because in the question also they have given in the decimal value. We also will try in decimal value 3 divided by 5. So we cannot divide now as whole number. Now keep point, we have to add here 0. Now 36 times we have in fifth table. So 6 5s are 30. So 30 minus 30 is 0. So this value is 0.6. Both also same value, but we are going to check with 0.6 because they have given the question in decimal points. F value is 0.6. We should apply in this place and here. 0.25 into 4 into 0.6 minus 3 equal to 0.05 into 10 into 0.6 minus 9. So here we have 0.25, 4 into 6, 24. 1 digit before we have to keep point. So 1 digit before means 2.4 minus 3. Here 0.05 into 10 into 6 will get 60. 1 digit before we should keep point. Here 1 digit before we are keeping point, minus 9 we have. Here 0.25, 0.6 will be minus because it is greater number sign we have minus in this place, equal to 0.05 into minus 9 plus 6 is minus 3. Now 6 5s are 30, carry 3, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3 is 15. So 1 2 3, so 1 2 3. Before you should keep point, it will become minus, is equal to plus into minus, minus 3 5s are 15, 3 0 0. We have to keep 1 2 digit before point. So 1 2 digit before, if we keep point, it will become 0.15. So our value is minus 0.15 equal to minus 0.15. So now we got left hand side equal to right hand side. Our answer is correct.